this video, I'll show you how to make the white outline around your safety eyes for your amigurumi projects. With white yarn or thread, insert your yarn needle just below the safety eye. Push the yarn needle through to the outside edge of the eye. To navigate around the safety eye, you may need to pass through more than one stitch. Try to keep your yarn needle as close to the safety eye as possible. We'll be taking this white yarn down to trace the outline of the safety eye. Insert your yarn needle through the same stitch that your other yarn tail is and push it through towards the other eye. As you pull the yarn through, keep the white yarn on the outside of the eye to create the outline. Repeat this process for the other eye, inserting your yarn needle at the top of the eye. As you pull the yarn tightly, keep the outline on the outside of the eye. Secure the yarn tails and hide the ends inside.